So this is the material that's going to be the box. It's a hardwood. These two faces I've ground down on the men's shed, and to make them as flat and plain as possible, I'm pretty happy because I can actually feel them sort of suck when I pull them apart because they're so flat. They almost glide on each other, which is good. But nothing's machined yet. So I'm going to do a practice first. So these are two pieces of timber clamped together. I've got the exact coordinate of the joint, which I won't go into how I've done that, but I've got the exact coordinate of the joint, and this will be a test because one lid will be to a large extent a mirror image of the other. The top will be a mirror of the bottom of the box. So this is clamp tied together, and it's screwed down here exactly parallel to the x-axis, and we'll machine this and see where the errors are. This is a little test block which I've used to test out the exact shape of all the different shapes that I need to machine into the box to make sure that they all work with the correct tolerances, so things aren't too tight, things aren't too loose, and so on. I've done some more ones for the knife as well. So hopefully I'll be able to mirror this and machine it, and it'll all be accurate, but we'll have a look first on this one. Quick test of the inlay. The inlay is black butt and it's a little bit grainy, so I just wanted to make sure I could do it without it fretting, and that it would inlay okay on a similar piece of wood. It's not the same species, but similar piece of wood. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So following successful trial, there's the socket V-carved into the box. Beautiful wood for machining, actually, beautiful. And this is the plug, which is mirror image of the socket. So that'll get turned over and it'll get glued in and clamped, and then this thickness will get machined off. And when we go to varnishing or hard polishing, whatever it is. Just machining off the backing of the plug in order to reveal the inlay beneath. This will go down to about a ½ mil above the surface of the box, and I'll do the rest by hand. It's safer to do it this way than trying to sand it down by hand or on the sanding machine, because you can catch other parts of the box if you're not careful.